Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being loyal to my channel. So I'm doing a few changes to the channel. Nothing major. I am kind of weeding out boxes that I have too much product. Obviously, makeup, skincare, it's only so much face that you can put all of your stuff on. And I'm just buying, like, if I see another influencer unbox something and I'm like, I so need that, then I'll buy it. So I said that to a couple of influencers. They're unboxing their product, and I think I watched like 2 or 3 YouTubers unbox this, and after about the third one, I'm like, you know what, I so need that. So I had to order it, and it was the American Influencer Beauty Box. Monthly subscription, I think it's like $39, and they usually have a different influencer, so they might have I don't know, a Color Pop or some influencer, and the whole box is of that influencer. And so this particular box was all hair products. And if you watch my channel, you know I'll do anything to get my hair to look beautiful. So this box, I'll open the card, was called Beachwaver. And of course my hair will never look like that because I'm not a blonde and I wouldn't have my hair that long, but it was all hair products. So as I said, after watching several of these videos, and yes, they're all the same product in these boxes, but everybody does their YouTube different. So I just enjoy watching how these YouTubers talk about the product and how it affects them, and we all have different hair and different faces, so I enjoy watching. So the first product was this Good Vibes shampoo, moisturizing shampoo, and look at the size of the product. I mean, they don't skimp on their products. They're not sample size, they're not deluxe sample size, they're big products. And if I put my trusty old glasses on here, see if it says what size it is. And you can get 50% off your next subscription order on beachwaver.com. So they even give you a coupon. This is 8 ounces. So this is a nice size. And then there also was a purple shampoo. And what this does is for blondes, and I'm assuming for people like me who have the color treated hair. And I think I might stop doing the color because it's just really making my hair dry and straw-like. So I might stop with that. But they do have an 8 ounce for that particular, for blondes and maybe caramel color type of hair. So that's kind of what, maybe it's not 8 ounces, it's 6 ounces, sorry, it's 6 ounces. But I thought, that's great, and hair products are not cheap. And the next item is Second Chance, and it's a dry shampoo. And I kind of stay away from dry shampoos because it seems like you have dandruff. If you don't use it the right way, it's like very flaky. But I thought, you know what, let me give this a try. Since I'm staying at home more, I thought, well, I can try it. Who's going to see me? You know, if anything, dentists will say you got flakes in your hair, and then I know it didn't work. And this is a 5.4 ounce, so it's a nice size. So I thought that would be worth a try. And then the next product is a great barrier, and it's a heat protectant hair spray. And I do blow dry my hair, and if I'm not going anywhere, you know, I'll go outside, but if I'm not really going anywhere for days, I just let it air dry because I don't like to use the heat on there. But if I'm going out or if I know I'm gonna do some filming, I will blow dry it. And look at the size. This is an 8.3 ounce for helping your hair get conditioned if you're gonna use hot products on there. So I thought that was great. And then we have the Good Vibes Moisturizing Conditioner, and that is 8 ounces. So, as I said, I don't sign up for this box, but if I'm seeing a great box out there, like I just ordered an Ipsy bag, their Glam Plus bag, because there was like a couple items in there I wanted. And then I saw a Boxy Charm, just their base box. I saw 2 items in there I wanted out of the base box. Now I ordered it late because it was July, so I don't get to pick out what I want. But I think everybody got the one item, everybody got the same item, and that was one of the ones I wanted. And I went on Mercari and I'm like, well, I won't get the box, I'll just go on Mercari and buy the product. Well, I do Mercari and I don't jack up my prices. I'll just do most of them unless it's like a Jeffree Star palette. I do most of my products for like $5-10. And the people on Mercari were, the one product, it's that little the blush, the highlighter, and the, what do you call it? Anyway, it was that cute little 3 thing. I really wanted that. I thought it'd be great for traveling, but they were selling it for like $18 plus shipping. I'm like, are you crazy? The whole box costs what, like $30 or something, and they're selling it for 18 plus. I would never do that. I would have thrown it on there for like $10. So I'm like, you can get the whole box. So I said, forget it. I'm gonna buy the box because I'll get that and maybe the other product I wanted. So I ordered the box, and then I'm just gonna get that box and then I'm gonna cancel. So that's just how I'm gonna do things. So if I like a box, I'm just gonna order it. A lot of these boxes, they have coupons. So if the YouTuber doesn't have a special coupon for it, all you have to do is type in, if it's a box, like you can type in Boxy Charm coupon or whatever the box is, coupons or beauty coupons, and you can get like 30% off or 20% off on beauty boxes. So if you don't have a coupon, just type that in, you know, Google it, and you can get a coupon for a certain box. So that's how I do a lot of my boxes, is I'll look for the coupon, I'll look for the best deal. So I really never pay full price for any of the boxes I get. I still pay for all my boxes, they're never gifted to me, but I do look for the coupons. So I do have the Boxy Charm and the Ipsy because there were items in there that I liked, and it was cheaper to buy it that way than to go pay retail for one item. So now that I'm getting way off the track, we got the conditioner. So just to recap, I believe I paid $39, and I'll have everything listed below. So I have the Good Vibes, the 8-ounce shampoo and conditioner. So this will last me a long time. And then the purple shampoo for blondes, or I'm gonna look at it as color treated, highlighted here. And that was 6 ounces. And then we have the heat protection hairspray and the dry shampoo. So we have 5 products in this box. And as I said, if you've gone to buy these even on Amazon, you could not get it for $39. So let me know what you thought of this box, and thank you for those YouTubers that unboxed it, because after watching it over and over, it convinced me to get this box. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for your time, and you guys have an awesome day.